Hi there, this is Steve Miley, the Market Chartist on behalf of ForexFraud.com, and we're now going to take a look at both the pound US dollar and also the New Zealand dollar versus the US dollar, both of which are exhibiting a very negative tone here versus the US currency, both the pound and the New Zealand dollar, and we anticipate that negative tone to extend through into the balance of October, potentially through into November, and even particularly for the pound here, the cable spot FX rate potentially through end of the year. So we already had a breakdown here in October below the post-Brexit low at 127.91. That was then reinforced by the flash crash that we saw back here on 7th October, and then the grind lower in here through last week, reinforcing that flash crash, leaving bigger picture threat. I mean, we have the low here at 119.43. Lots of different lows reported across different markets in here, different trading stations, but we certainly see a more bearish theme in here. And on the bigger picture outlook, the real risk is potentially on the bigger picture outlook for October, November is down to maybe towards 110, and then even deeper. I mean, year-end threat really down to that multi-decade low down here at 105.20. So really bigger picture threats for a much deeper correction here for the pound US dollar cable spot FX rate. For the New Zealand dollar, far less negative, but nevertheless technically an important structure in here. The reversal down below the trend line here from late May, and then also the neckline support in here for this kind of head and shoulders pattern. We'll see that better here if I go to the intraday chart. So you've got this head and shoulders pattern. We broke this neckline also through 72.00, but importantly through 70.84. That now sets up a more negative theme in here, and we certainly see bearish pressures going back to that daily chart. A bear trend emerging after this intermediate term bull trend has now been reversed, and looking for a much deeper correction now, minimally 69.48, but bigger picture outlook through late October and beyond, maybe to these lower targets here, 68, and maybe even a 66 handle for the lower targets as we look through into the middle of Q4. This has been Steve Miley, the Market Chartist, on behalf of ForexFraud.com, and I wish you a great trading week.